Welcome to Nenong TV. You're live watching from Facebook and YouTube subscriber and also available in Instagram, TikTok, Google, and of course in YouTube, Facebook. The search Nenong TV and NTV Corporation. So today is another revival vlog that we will do for the General Last Revival Vlog Specials with your, at ngayon, very special ang ating itatampo na programa at alam ko na miss lahat ng mga Gen Z, na mga kabataan, that is learning from education, fun and play, sometimes cooking, imaginative travel, and etc. etc. na binablog noon ni JN kasama ang kanyang mga tropang yay. Oh, we hear the word yay, diba? Halos lahat ng mga kabataan and even our parents, our kuya and ate, when we feel excited, diba? Instead na we say yay, hey, we only say yay, diba? Or yay, hey, or it can be Yahoo, yay, diba? So, ano bang tawag na sa yay kanya? So, or excitement. Dahil ngayon, ang itatampok ko pong revival program of Jem Canlas is Team Yay! Ayan. So, your ninong, under by the NTV and the Jem Canlas Revival Vlog Special, will have the Team Yay revival in this program. Okay. So, ano nga bang ating Team Yay? Diba? Hindi lang naman yay. Anong yay ng ninong nyo for this Team Yay ng ating production? So this is Team Yay, expanding the great play and lessons in school, business, and arts with the Gen Z traditions. Oh, okay. So ngayon po ay namumuhay tayo together with our Gen Z sa mga nakakatuklas ng arts, ng mga education, entertainment, and any forms of talent. And of course, to promote our Philippine culture, diba, yung ating mga sining. So parang batang sining pa rin to. So on this special presentation that we dedicated to JN and our revival program by Ninong TV, magkakaroon din tayo dito ng mga bagong tropang J. So, hindi lang naman si Ninong ang nandito. So, syempre, Team J2, dapat may mga partner tayo at meron tayong makakasama that will tackle the sports, education, business, cultural, halo-halo. Kasi, di ba, ganun ang Team J, maraming eksena. So, who will be our special guest? Our presenters or your Ninong's katropang J. Di ba? So, we will have my sister, Baby Princess. Yeah. And all, of course, mayroon din siyang sariling YouTube channel, The Little Princess and the Peter channel. And then we will also have Princess Claudette Arabit, Vice President ng NPB natin. We will also have the Nabs. One of the member here is my classmate, J.R. Corre, na isa na siyang rock and roll sensation. We will have the businessman, idol ko to, Lance Tan. And of course, the Executive Vice President of our NTV, Jayon Anthony Macputay. We will also have my sister, Aya Kokia, na meron ding YouTube to and also an artist. We will have Kenneth Binata, who is a dancer. Ralph Malibunas, I know you are very familiar with this. Ralph Malibunas is now an actor from ABS-CBN and came from Pinoy Big Brother. And also my classmate in the high school days. We will have Jared Maga. Ito, basketball player to. And of course, yours truly, Denver Ninong Castro. Okay, so kami po ang makakasama nyo sa makabagong henerasyon ng tropang Yay ng Team Yay. So we are the present Team Yay from Ninong TV that will give you fun, education, entertainment, cultural, and to promote our Filipino talents. Diba? And of course, on this lesson, we are also encouraging the business lesson and even faith lesson. Diba? So dito po ay madidiscover natin ang revival ng Team Yay. Of course, this is made by Ninong TV of NTV. It can be also encouraging na buhayin ulit ng Kapamilya Channel. That's much better. So para aside from Jem, we are also educating and to continue yung ating mga Philippine talents, di ba? So as of now, the ABS returned the Going Bulilit, di ba? So malay natin, sa programa kong ito, The Revival of Tilyay, Mr. Eugenio Lopez or Mr. Carlo Katigbak have the idea to reborn the Tilyay. So tayo nang gising sa palabas na ito na buhayin ulit yung programang Tilyay. Diba? So, tayo, naging bridge tayo para mabuhay yung programa yun. Alright? So, speaking of buhay, ito muna po yung ating mga first program that we will have. We will have Jared Magat for basketball game Story with Baby Princess and me. Oh, magkakaroon kami ng Story. Si alias Lady Pipay. Yung kapatid ko si Lady Princess. So makakasama ko ngayon si Princess, my sister, and of course my friend Jared Magat to give you the education of sport, storytelling, expressing, and imaginative. So, ito nga po yung team game natin that we expand the talent and skills of all Filipino tradition to Gen Z tradition. So, for the first episode, sports muna tayo at kwento-kwento sa store. Yay!
Once they get their act going, as we see a 3-point Fabs basketball going up against the number 4 for the Group B, which is the Louis Kapampangan Fabs basketball. Magat with an and one. It's 18-6, a 12-point lead.
Story of the Rich Monkey and the Poor Turtle. Buy some bugs, buy some bugs, my bugs are beautiful. So the name of the monkey was Henry, and the poor turtle was named John. Very rich and selling beautiful bags. A lot of people are buying his bags. Henry was wanting a bag for 200 pesos. But John refused, and he was pushing Henry away.
How much is your bag?
500 pesos.
Oh, 500. Oh, I don't have a bag, but can I get it free?
No.
How about only 200 because I have a month's birthday. Gusto ko siyang mabili pero kulang pera ko. Pwedeng 200 na lang.
Pwede.
Please.
Just go away if you don't have money. And Henry found a banana tree that he could do business with until he became rich.
I'm so poor.
I have many bugs and I'm a rich businessman. Ha ha ha! Buy my bugs, people, buy my bugs.
Where can I find some of a good sorts? Oh, a banana tree. Wow, many banana. I have the idea. Ang yabang-yabang kasi ng businessman na yun. Tatalunin ko siya. And this is my new business. To have a banana tree and my gift to my mom. A banana. Paul, buy some banana. On my banana tree. It was so fantastic and delicious.
You're only selling bananas. You can't get rich. Ha 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 ha.
Yayaman ako. Dadami rin ang prata ko. Ikaw bags lang. Ako, magkakaroon ako ng banana tree and a lots of products. I will save more on my savings.
You will lose. I will be the winner.
Teka. All by this product. And become a rich because of the banana tree. Hello, I am Ba, and my business is many. I'm not only selling banana, but now I am also selling cars, houses, and I also have malls. How about you, Turtle?
Oh no! Oh no, he's more rich than me.
The only thing that you need to do, John, is to become good and not to become boastful, so that you can
Boastful?
have many business. Because you doesn't allow me to buy your bag only 200, only to my mom. Now I save many. So ano ba ngayon?
When Henry becomes rich, now John's customers are gone. And that's the story, how to be a good person and not to be mean and not to be boastful, because people will not buy your stuff and products. And that's the story, how to be a good businessman. Bye! So this is Baby Princess reading a story. Yay! See you next time. Story, yay!
Okay, you just discover Jared Magat, and we also have Baby Princess. So talaga ng mga ang ninong nyo ay nag-story, di ba? The story of a rich man and a poor man that came from animal character. Na totoo naman yun kapag tayo ay nagsisikap, darating ang swerte. Pero siyempre kailangan natin yung pagiging mabuting puso, huwag tayo magiging mayabang, o ano man yung narating natin, di ba? So, that's a good lesson. Kaya nagkaroon siya ng karma, si John, the turtle, kasi naging mapagmataas siya. So, parang pinapataboy niya si Henry, the monkey. So, one time, si Henry na yung yumaman. Instead na si John is okay pa rin siyang negosyante. But anyway, that stories also came for our real life, di ba? Lalo-lalo na, pag tayo ay umaangat sa buhay, we need to be a good, di ba? Diba, lahat naman kasi ng blessing natin ay galing sa Lord. So, dapat humble lang tayo. Kahit billion-billion na yung bulsa natin, let's become humble. Diba? And of course, thank you, Jared, for your sports activity that you presented, the basketball. Talagang ang galing, talagang shoot that ball, diba? Talagang okay na okay ang ating team niya that we promote sport, we promote the storytelling, imagination, education. We are expanding all of the program that we miss. And we miss from JM and to all of the team. Okay. For the next episode, ito, isa din nating tropang yay na magbibigay ng kanyang life and business lessons. Si Mr. Lance Tan bilang isang negosyante. Your ninong is also luckily attended an business events that is came from a Zoom. And Mr. Lanstan is also my boss on my formerly work in the theater show under by the PAEC. So Mr. Lanstan will give us a life lesson as part of TBA is to educate in business and life and entertainment. So ano po bang ibibigay nyong learnings or life lesson as our tropang yay dito sa ating TBA? Sir Lance, the stage is yours.
Pero hindi kami pumapasok sa isang negosyo na alam namin that our business it's a short term. Diba? There's a lot of Gallup University.
Conventions, my God, dito, mapapaluha ka sa saya. Because, you know, the people here, and especially the students, are all real. To be this university, because Bold University, it's a university style na hindi mo kailangan magpaka-estudyante. It's not about what is their status in life. They are a businessman, they are the students, newly grad. Sinasabi nila lahat ng problema nila. And then you know, all the mentors here are giving advices. Me, myself, I will help them to improve their projects, their products, to have a sustainability in this business. If you want to have good mentors, visit now here in Bold University to check kung anong pagkakaiba natin compare sa lahat ng universities dito sa Philippines.
Wow!
Yes. You know, in this business, we make ourselves as influencer to our other group. So we make sure that our property are unique and wala kami pinagkokopyahan. So that's why that we make sure that everything, it should be nice, clean, and of course, uniquely designed.
Authentic.
Yes.
Wait, pa-selfie nga, Mr. Lance.
To get their heart, your business is really easy for you. I receive a lot of criticism with other people. Maybe that you're too young, you don't have any experience yet. But in this kind of business, first, you need to trust yourself. You need to trust what do you believe, and of course, believe in yourself. Lahat ng problema mo, lahat ng criticism, Move it out and then move forward. And then eventually you will be strong in this business.
So, Mr. Lance, I'm sure maraming nanonood.
No, I have only a secret ingredients in my life. You need to make yourself inspiration to other people so that the people that you're working to, they will be inspired. So, very simple. Don't do to others that you want others do unto you. So, if you want to be respected, respect them also. Respect yourself. So, eventually, you will work hand in hand and then to become, a better business partner.
I thank you so much, Mr. Lance.
Okay, you've just discovered Sir Lance. Wow, that's a great learning that we are learning the art of making business, the art of educating and to expand our learnings, di ba? Hindi lang siya pang negosyo, hindi lang siya pang bata, pang matanda, but it's all, to all generalize, sabi nga ni Sir Lance. Hindi naman issue yung edad para ikaw ay magnegosyo. Hanggat kaya, just to serve the people and the economy, that's also the form of service and art that we are promoting for our tropang yay. Diba? Yay! May business learning tayo. Yay! May business na ako. Dahil may natutunan ako kay Sir Lance. Ayun, take notes ha. Sa ating mga special guests at sa ating mga tropang yay na magbibigay sa kanila ng mga educated slides na magagamit nyo lalo't ngayon ay back to school. Diba? So now for the next episode, ito usapang education and business pa rin. We will have the presences of Jayon, Princess, and Aya on their business lessons for the Gen Z. Ayun. So ano-ano nga ba yung mga lesson nila sa ating Gen Z business? Sa ating mga Gen Z na gusto maging negosyante, ano-ano nga ba yung mga other products and services na umuusbong ngayon? Or sino yung mga icons na kanilang nire-represent na maging instrumento at maging gabay on how to handle business and to become popular and to do the hard work. Diba? So parang kami lang in the team A. We are also giving you inspiration and we are also giving you a material so that you can have a boost on your talent, on your dreams. Diba? So we will have here Jayon, Princess, and Aya on their business lessons with the Gen Z. At kung sino-sino mga negosyante o anong products yung kanila nire-represent dito. You will check it out in our team, yay, with our Tropang Yay Business Minded.
Maria Socorro Cancio Ramos was born on 23 September 1923 in Santa Cruz, Laguna. She grew up in a rich entrepreneurial family. She began assisting in her parents' shop and her grandmother's market stall at a young age. After graduating from Arellano High School, she worked as a shop girl at the Ramos Goodwill bookstore. Socorro's brother Manuel married one of the daughters of the Ramos family, leading to the opening of a new bookshop on Escolta Street in 1940, located on the ground floor of Pancinteria Nacional. Jose Ramos was put in charge and asked Socorro to come and work for him. The store was called National Bookstore. Despite facing opposition from her family, Socorro married Jose shortly thereafter. During the Japanese occupation, many of the American books were hidden and the couple mainly sold office supplies, soap, and flip-flops. However, during the Battle of Manila in 1945, their store went up in flames and they had to start over with the stash of hidden books. Unfortunately, 3 years later, disaster struck again when a typhoon again destroyed the rebuilt store at its new Rizal Avenue location. Nevertheless, the National Bookstore was once again reconstructed, this time with a mezzanine.
Manuel Velez Pangilinan, born on July 14, 1946, also known as Manny Pangilinan or sometimes by his initial MVP, is a Filipino businessman and sport patron. He is the managing director and CEO of of First Pacific Company Limited, a Hong Kong-based investment, management, and holding company with operations in the Asia-Pacific region. Pangilinan is also the first Pacifician's chairman for the group's investments in the Philippines, such as the Metro Pacific Investments Corporation, PLDT, and Felix Mining Corporation. He is the chairman emeritus of the Samahang Basketball ng Pilipinas or SBP, and was the first president, having served the two consecutive terms from 2007 to 2018.
Cristina Bernadette Cuanco Aquino, born February 14, 1971, professionally known as Chris Aquino. Chris Aquino is a Filipino television host, actress, producer, socialite, and businesswoman. She notably starred as Princess Intan in the acclaimed Crazy Rich Asian, and is a recipient of 42 PMPC Star Awards for television, and 10 Golden Screen Awards, and the Famous Award.
Okay, thank you for sharing your talents and expanding the talent. Sabi ko nga dito sa ating team expanding the great play and lessons in school, business, and arts with the Gen Z tradition. So, talagang dapat lang na ma-discover ng ating mga Gen Z kung ano nga ba yung mga under business person na umuusbong ngayon at nagbibigay ng inspiration, and the one is also helping our economy and the people to rise and to make business, services, fun, educate, and anything. Diba? So, for the next episode, we will have the art educators. Ito, favorite na ating mga team making arts, dancing, singing, and expressing, and showing your talents. Magkakaroon po tayo ng sing and dance and rock and roll sensation together with the Nubs Band, Kenneth, the dancer, and Ralph, who will show you a food trip from Japan. Oy, sana ko, no? Ang team niya nagpupunta rin sa Japan yan nung araw. And of course, also JM and the friends, they are also meet with the sino ba to? Si Doraemon, si Nobita. Oh, may nakita kong post. Ayan, yan, on in the screen that I'm showing you here. That is a team day casting that they have a special selfie with the Doraemon cast. Diba? So, ayun po. We will have the Nubs, Kenneth, and Ralph Malibunas. Kenneth Binatacto, the dancer, and Ralph Malibunas, who is also give us a tour in Japanese food. Na perfect sa ating budget at mapipil pa rin natin ang mushi-mushi. Okay, we will check it out here at Team Day.
Hello guys! Ako nga pala si Ralph Malibunas and today, samahan niyo ako mag-food trip dito sa QQ Ramen 99. Kaya ano pang hinihintay niyo? Let's go! Excited na akong kumain dahil aside from being the biggest ramen chain in the Philippines, you can get their authentic Japanese ramen for as low as 99 pesos. While waiting for my order, of course, hindi natin pwedeng palampasin ang aesthetic interior nila. Perfecto para sa mga mahilig mag-take ng pictures katulad ko. And to complete the experience, tara, kain na! Itadakimasu! For appetizer, unahin na natin tong gyoza. Juicy and meaty. Next, itong shashudon. If you're on the sweeter side, para sa'yo to. Tender ang pork, saktong-sakto sa steamed white rice. Last, itong QQ ramen. Sa mga hindi mahilig sa spicy, para sa'yo to. Overall, lahat ng pagkain nila, oishi. Dahil dyan, nag-takeout pa ako. Kaya ano pang hinihintay nyo? Go dine now at QQ Ramen 99 for your authentic Japanese ramen experience. Hello guys!
na-discover nyo rin ang ating mga art educators. Thank you, Danabs, Kenneth Binatag, and Ralph Malibunas. And once again, na-discover naman natin ang mga business lesson, education, with Jayon, Princess, and Aya. Sir Lance in business lesson and life lesson. And Jared, and Baby Princess and me through story, imagination, and sports. So all in one, we are giving you a 6 package of special guests that represents talent and skills, lesson, education, business, imagination, play in one epic show of this revival blog of Team Yay, of PM Kadlas. So I hopefully all of our students is now have those of the education, may na-discover kayo sa amin, muli kayong nabuhayan, diba, sa panonood ng Team Yay, na pinapanood nyo nung inyo pang napipil na ikaw ay high school or elementary or even today, diba, na-influensya tayo ng mga sisters or brother natin sa panonood ng Team Yay, kasali na rin ako dyan. Because of my 2 sisters is watching Team Yay. I was influenced of that discovering until I discovered JM. So that's the one. Doon po nang galing lahat ng story kung bakit po nagpa-vlog ako ngayon. Okay. So lahat naman po ay i-present na. Of course, ano nga bang ipipresent ng ninong nyo? Ng ninong JM nyo? O, diba? Mukhang kulang eh. So, hindi tayo sanay na ang ninong nyo syempre hindi pa tatalo dyan. So, my special guest presented a special show of learning, educating, and entertaining the people and all of our consumers. Now, your ninong will give you a show or talent din. Siyempre, lahat naman ng talent, sabi ko nga kanina, lahat ng meron tayo ay galing sa Lord. Kaya pagpasalamat natin yan. That is a talent, that is a gift and skills given by the Lord. Sabi nga sa Roma, chapter 12, 6 to 8, ang talent natin, kakayahan natin lahat galing sa Lord. In our Philippine Bible says, at yamang may mga kaloob na nagkakaiba-iba ayon sa biyaya na ibinigay sa atin. Kung hula ay mga hula tayo ayon sa kasukatan ng ating pananampalataya, o kung ministeryo ay gamitin natin ang ating sarili sa ating ministeryo, o ang nagtuturo ay sa kanyang pagtuturo, o ang umaaral ay sa kanyang pag-aaral. Ang namimigay ay magbigay na may magandang loob. Ang nagpupuno ay magsikap, ang nahahabag ay magsaya. So all of this material, all of these talent portions that we have in our life, skills, talents, and even the brilliant idea that we are producing in our mind, the actions, talent, and skills we produce came from the Lord. Diba? Ang Lord nang bibigay sa atin ng talent and skills so that we can survive, we can do, we can empower, and we can give inspiration, and we can be the light to others. Diba? Kagaya po ng ginagawa natin, we are encouraging and we are educating and performing for our students and for the researchers yung pagiging Team Yay. Diba? Team Yay is also a form of art, educator, and to give you a show na ano nga bang pwedeng gawin ng mga kabataan ngayon for the Gen Z. Diba? Okay. So, ipapresent ko sa inyo yung aking paggigitara that I cover the Unlimited and Free by Mr. Daniel Padilla. So this is a year ago, or 3 years ago, but I will perform it again to give you a great presentation. Check it out. La live everywhere. And my girl, when we're together, the life's a risk. Love is like the sun shining down on everyone. When it's like I found you, it's give me warm. Love is like the sun. Love is in the air. Love is everywhere, unlimited and free, my love. Love is like the sun. Love is in the air. Love is everywhere, unlimited and free, my love. Love is just for free, and I have so much in me. So take as much as you can get. Enjoy yourself. Love is like the sun. Love is in the air. Love is everywhere, unlimited and free, my love. Love is like the sun. Love is in the air. Love is everywhere, unlimited and free, my love. Love, 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 love. Love is like the sun. Love is in the air. Love is everywhere, unlimited and free, my love. Love is like the sun. Love is in the air. Love is everywhere, unlimited and free, my love. Love, 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 everybody. Love, 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 love. Yeah. Okay, I've just discovered my talent. That was 2021, from about 3 years ago. Yun pa yung mga pandemic days. So, I do that on my student council days as their PRO treasurer. So, nagsagawa kami ng Valentine concert until I converted it for a vlog presentation so that our people will be educated and to entertain na rin. Diba? Making rock and roll music. Okay, so lahat naman po ay nakapag-present na. Of course, your Ninong also presented my talent and skills of being a team Yale. As we do the revival show, syempre, dahil ngayon po ay August 3, so, sa lahat ng ating mga JM fans, including your Ninong, we are remembering once again our legend idol vlogger and our original Team Yay star, Mr. J.M. Canlas. And for this one, once again, your Ninong wanted to present a mini presentation or a tribute to JM. To remember once again his Team Yay legacy of serving the educators through educating, entertaining to all of our watchers. This is your Ninong to Ninong J.M. Again. Diba? So last time na, maraming salamat sa mga nanood ng aking programa. That is the first time that I saw or to meet JM through Great Edition. So for this moment, I will present it once again the legendary Team Yay star, J.M. Canlas.
Or may not know about me. So, ang unang part ay
So, second fact, Jamal is actually from a black American dancer, as per my research. It's from a black American dancer. They were so... Hello guys, welcome back sa panibagong video. Yes, ang tatalakayin natin ngayon guys ay mga bagay na pwede natin gawin kapag tayo ay walang magawa o nabobore.
You sheltered me from harm, kept me warm, kept me warm. You gave my life to me, set me free, set me free. The finest years I ever knew. I had with you, and I would give anything I own, give up my life, my heart, my home. I would give everything I own just to have you back again. You taught me how to love, what it's all. You never said too much, but still you showed the way, and I knew from watching you. Nobody else could ever know the part of me that can't let go. And I would give anything I own, give up my life, my heart, my home. I would give everything I own just to have you back again.
Okay, thank you for watching and God bless all of us. At dito po nagtatapos ang ating programa, Team Yay, Expanding the Great Play and Lessons in School, Business, and Arts with the Gen Z Tradition. So, maraming salamat po sa aking mga nakasamang tropang Yay. We have once again Baby Princess, Princess Claudette Arabit, Aya Kukia, Kenneth Binatak, Brad Manibunas, Jared Magat, Sir Lance Tan, and of course, Jayon Anthony Makutay, and your Ninong and the Nabs. So maraming salamat sa inyo mga tropang Yay. Your free time and encouraging the students, the researchers to educate, to learn, to entertain, and to expand our being, creativity. Diba? So parang batang sining pa rin to because we are promoting the Filipino talents and our skills that we can serve and we can give you upon learning and education. Maraming salamat po. See you again for my another video vlog. And today, welcome back to school. Pwede nyo itong panoorin on how to make some art, to expand your talent. Kasi nga, sabi ko nga, we are a team here that is expanding those of the talent. So, kung gusto nyo mag-business, gusto nyo mag-educating, kumanta, sumayaw, mag-arts, di ba? So, we are encouraging you or to try some of a food trips, to travel, o si Rob, no? Nasa Japan. Pero sa ano yan? Sa ramen ano ba yun? Yung tig 99 pesos. Oo. So, you watch that vlog and you will discover on how we do the art. Okay? We are also continuing to revive the shows of Jen Canlas here on Nico TV of NTV Corporation. So maraming salamat po once again. Thank you to all of the watchers and special shout out and give thanks na rin to Ma'am Lynn Canlas and Canlas family for giving me this opportunity to continue the shows of the late Jen Canlas. Maraming salamat po. Bye-bye. See you for my next press presentation.